Hey everyone, this is Yan from Devolutions HQ with this month's Report from the Trenches. Let's dive in. So this month is episode 106, May 2021. One of the things that we're always excited about every time of year is our new releases. So we recently came out with Remote Desktop Manager 2021.1. It's now available. If you want to read more about it, simply click on the link. And Derek wrote a fantastic blog about all the different functionalities and features that are available for you. If you want to know more about this, we always encourage you to go to our website and click on products, select the product that you are interested in. And then if you go down to the download section, you'll see that they have a release notes. And in the release notes section, obviously you could read all the different features, improvements, bugs, fixes that we applied for this most recent version. So definitely check out that article. There's a lot of good stuff coming out with Remote Desktop Manager, as well as all of our products in this month. The next article was written by Laurence, and this one is how to check whether you're part of the massive Facebook data breach. Lots of data breaches going on recently. If you're concerned about what information was leaked and where you can find out if your credentials were leaked in these database breaches, I encourage you to read Laurence's article. She goes over a lot of these details and the impact that it has to do with us as users. Now, every month we have a poll that we want to ask you some questions, and there's always a chance to win a nice $25 Amazon gift card, which is always helpful for us tech gurus. In the last several years, many of us have been using a lot more channel-based messaging apps. And I'm not just talking about Facebook or text messaging, obviously, but things that we'd use at work with our coworkers or our clients as well. So are you using Slack? Are you using Discord? Are you using Microsoft Teams? So go ahead and go over to that blog post and comment, and you'll have a chance to win that $25 Amazon gift card. Also, in security and tips and tricks, we have a few things that might be of interest to you. First of all, we boosted the security of our API. So we talk about Remote Desktop Manager as well as Devolutions Web Login and all how that works together. So you'll want to check out that article. We also have some security advice, which is great. It's how to bridge the gap between authentication and authorization. And sometimes people don't know the differences. So you want to read the article. It'll talk about the difference between identity management and access management. So a lot of good information in that article that you'll want to check out. Also, another article by Marc-André Moreau, who's kind of our PowerShell guru over here, who wrote a great one on local PowerShell module repositories, no server required. Marc-André Moreau dives into all the different PowerShell scripting that could be useful to use along with our Devolutions solutions. Also, for the video for the month, I recently did a webinar on Devolutions Password Hub, which is our cloud-based password manager. I had a fantastic conversation with Max Morin and France Lindberner as we talked about all the different benefits that Password Hub can bring to a team and how it's quite different from any other password manager that we believe you've ever used. Not only is Password Hub designed for businesses, but we also have a free version that you'll want to check out in the article as well. That can be used by you and your family members absolutely free. So check that out. And last, and I'm not going to say least because I think this is probably one of my favorite parts of this, is the latest Sysadminitor comic strip. This is number 106. I love when Patrick makes caricatures of things that we all enjoy that are near and dear to our heart. So this comic strip is a really, really good one, especially if you like things like Lord of the Rings. So you will absolutely love this comic strip. So you'll want to click on that and check it out for yourself. So that's it from the Report from the Trenches for this month. I encourage you to like and subscribe to this video, as well as click the little bell for notifications so that you'll know when we publish these videos. Thank you so much and have a great day.